And getting in some news now, the Pentagon has retreated from its defense of a drone strike that killed multiple civilians in Afghanistan last month, announcing that a review revealed that only civilians were killed in the attack, not an Islamic State extremist as first believed. Marine General Frank McKenzie, head of U.S. Central Command, told Pentagon news conference that the strike was a tragic mistake. So the Pentagon now admitting essentially that the drone strike was a tragic mistake. This is certainly a different stance that it took from what it took earlier on. It has retreated from its defense of the drone strike that killed multiple civilians. This happened, remember, in Afghanistan last month. And now the Pentagon has announced that the review reveals that only civilians were killed in the attack and not an Islamic State extremist. So civilians bore the brunt of that drone strike that essentially was unleashed on Afghanistan. Shaurya, my colleague, joins us from the Afghan desk in Mumbai now. Shaurya, very good morning to you. The US admitting that the drone strike that was last carried out before they withdrew from Afghanistan was a tragic mistake. This means that now Pentagon and the United States President Joe Biden could now be at the center of more investigations, perhaps in the near future.
Absolutely. As we can see, when this strike happened, Pentagon was confident and it asserted that the target was achieved at the time when this drone strike happened. And now today they have reversed their own statement. Now this is not even calling for more scrutiny in the US itself, but world itself, where yes, we now know that they have admitted their mistake and they are acknowledging the fact that this was an intelligence failure. It will require more scrutiny and more detailed explanation as to what led to these events where such a tragic mistake happened on the part of the US forces. Now, we know that this happened right in the aftermath of the attack on the Kabul airport, where US Marines and Afghan civilians were killed. But when this was given and this retaliation took place, US was confident that they have done the right thing. But now, as we can see, General McKenzie's apology has come in, and the US is also considering making reparation payments to the affected families and victims. But this is only adding up to the troubles of US, who have been at the receiving end of world criticism, and now with this tragic intelligence failure, they're going to be called for more scrutiny to this incident and particularly their intelligence failure. Back to you.
You know, well, the general said that the strike was carried out in the profound belief that ISIS was about to attack Kabul's airport, as the organization had done 3 days earlier, killing more than 140 people, including several American service members. But all of that has now turned out to be false. It was only civilians who bore the brunt of this US drone strike. Thank you, Shaurya, for getting us those details.